Incorporated in the year 1987, Flomec Engineers Private Limited started with just one mission: to support the growing Indian industrial sector with the finest and high-end services for hydraulic presses. The journey since then has remained persistent in delivering a quality range of hydraulic presses that includes hydraulic molding press, hydraulic squeezing press. The company is established in the prime location in the capital city of India. It has a vast sprawling establishment having 6 manufacturing units set up in Mundka, New Delhi, and is well connected to all the transport mediums for easy dispatch and delivery of the machines to our customers. Led by Mr. A.K. Mittal, the founder and director of Flomec Engineers Private Limited, the company's remarkable success story has been scripted essentially through its commitment to innovate, set new standards, enhance capabilities, and enrich life. And for this, Flomec has become a renowned name in the industry. The company houses qualified and experienced technical and non-technical professionals managing the machine manufacturing business under a full-fledged quality control department, computerized design section, tool room section, store section, etc. Integration of experiences and abilities of the production units together with the development of agreements, commitments as well as technological and commercial synergies have driven the company to meet the demands of hydraulic presses for sheet metals and molding presses. At Flomec, machines are designed using advanced techniques with capacity ranging up to 1500 tons. These machines are PLC controlled. Flomec becomes the first company to make PLC controlled machines in India beginning in 1990. The growth story continues at a steady pace. The company boasts the pride of being the first in the country to innovate a new triple action deep draw machine, which is based on the draw and redraw process. Backed by a computerized design unit that is equipped with the latest design software like SolidWorks, MDT, Pro-E, AutoCAD, the machines are made to match with the operational standards of the industry. It is their commitment and dedication towards the work that has adorned Flomec with Gold Sponsor Award in Indian Stainless Steel Houseware Show 2016 at Pragati Maidan, New Delhi. With consistent fulfillment, Flomec has gained a vast market reach. It represents India in the international market with a vision of Make in India. At present, the company is efficiently exporting a diverse range of machines to clients from Indian and overseas markets. The valuable client base of Flomec includes Messrs. Associated Universal Private Limited and Messrs. Trelleborg Wheel Systems Lanka Private Limited from Sri Lanka. Besides, Flomec hydraulic presses are exported to the countries like England, the USA, France, Singapore, Indonesia, Mexico, Cameroon, Dubai, Bangladesh, China, Taiwan, and 25 other countries across the world. In India, they have been serving a huge client base of giants like HAL Bangalore, HAL Koraput, HAL Kanpur, BHEL Haridwar, RVTFAC Composites Design Center Bangalore, IBP Company, CBRI Roorkee, Cochin Port Trust Cochin, Maruti, Tata Motors, Mahindra, MRF Tires, JK Tires, Hawkins, United Pressure Cooker, Nirali Sinks, which are few to name. Flomec Engineers Private Limited is continuously scaling its capacity utilization and proficiencies to clutch opportunities while building a self-reliant India.